My name's Emil. I'm a digital strategist and I answer marketing questions. This is episode 33 and I love this question. It's all about carpet cleaning and it's an industry I grew up in. I cleaned thousands of carpets in my life. That is not an exaggeration. And this carpet cleaning question was posted on Reddit. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name. Who here has ever advertised for a carpet cleaning company all day long, brother? And I'm in an area with a small amount of zip codes, so it's pretty difficult to target people. I can relate to this as well. I live in a very small town overall. So in this video, what I'm going to cover is targeted advertising for carpet cleaning, specifically how I did it to huge success, promoting solutions for services, some tips and tricks there, and then inbound and outbound strategy once you localize that targeting. But first, every Sunday, I send out one email that recaps all the marketing questions I answered that week. If you want to stay up to date on best practices, strategies, and become an overall stronger marketer, I think you would really enjoy this recap. It would mean the world to me if you could subscribe to the newsletter and my YouTube channel. Now, back to the answer. I live in Savannah, Georgia, and we have a really small town. And when I was doing this was years ago when I first got into it in Savannah, our population was about a quarter or half the size it is now with the incorporated areas. So I totally get that issue. So I'm going to walk you through kind of what I discovered to be absolutely hugely profitable for me. And to this day, for other companies that I run their ads, it's just insane gangbusters results. I would prioritize targeting first by the type of service. So the type of carpet cleaning company you are. I don't know anything about you, but I'm assuming that you're talking about B2C, so regular customers, not apartment complexes or commercial buildings. We're talking about advertising to people with single family homes or apartments. So that's my guess. And then second, once I understood the service that I'm promoting, I would do it in radius, and I'll show you how I did that. And then I would separate my efforts between inbound and outbound. Inbound meaning somebody's looking for your service, and outbound meaning, hey, I'm going to get in front of them before they know they need me, so they know who to look up when they do need me. So the thing that was like a mind blower for me was few people actually need their carpet cleaned. Nobody goes, man, I really need my carpet cleaned. I'm going to book a carpet cleaning. That's like a responsible adult, right? That's the kind of person I aspire to be one day. Somebody who could just get my carpet cleaned. But often what drives us to get our carpet cleaned are a spot. There's a specific spot that was just staying in my living room, and I've got family coming over, or my steps look really grimy, or my master bedroom where my dogs lie has like grease spots, or there's a urine spot. There's something very specific. I have family coming in, and there are spots that are driving me crazy. So spot cleaning, believe it or not, actually yields more revenue than carpet cleaning, and I'll kind of dive into how I discovered that. Next is I don't need my carpet cleaned, I need my rental deposit back. So I want to prioritize what kind of carpet cleaning that is and guide somebody through depending on if it's an apartment or a single family home. And I knew lots of rental management companies and I knew what their expectation was. So I was able to really close those deals pretty quickly. And then just another component is odor removal. So they don't need their carpet cleaned, they just need it to smell fresh. They don't need their carpet cleaned, they just need it to not smell like dog urine, right? So these are the things I focused on. And this is how I broke it down. So here's a map of Savannah, and this is the map that I worked on. And I could look at this, and I know you can too of your area, and you could say, look, Forsyth Park area here, this is touristy. So, and this is SCAD, Savannah College of Art and Design. This is where all the cool kids go to have art classes. Their parents have lots of money. The houses are kind of dilapidated. They're single, 1 to 2 rooms of carpet or 3 to 4 rooms of carpet on the high end and in the really ritzy areas. But most of these were going to be rentals that needed their deposit back in this area. So I would run very specific target radius campaigns. Instead of looking at the zip code, I would go and put I would do a 1 mile area in this square mile area in the 31405 area, and I would put rental deposit carpet cleaning company, or need your deposit back. We work with all rental companies to guarantee your carpet will be salvaged or something like that. You could, whatever pitch is in your area. I don't want to put any words in your mouth. So this is how we do it here. Up here in Bloomingdale and Polar area, these are big family homes, 2,000, 3,000, sometimes 4,000 square feet. often a half a day job going out here. And this is mostly dog urine, tracked in, realtor sales, showings. These are big projects. So I would focus over there on get your house show ready, putting your house on the market, get your carpet cleaned. We do urine removal, spot removal urine. I was getting, this is in 2010, 2009, I was able to pull in somewhere around $200 to $300 for 30 to 45-minute spot removals. So I would go out to pooler, we would do a water claw treatment, so an area that's urine. When a dog urinates in the carpet, that urine turns into salt, penetrates the weft, and goes right into the padding. And I would do this. I would flood that area with OSR, odor stain remover. It was a crystallized chemical by Promax. I can't remember the name. It's been ages. Then I would use a water claw and suck everything up out of there, and then deodorize. One spot, $150 to $300. If there's multiple spots, way fast. And those people never wanted their whole house cleaned, which was only like $299. But I would get $300 to $350 quite often, just promoting urine out here. Then we moved down here to Wilmington Island. This is close to the water. A lot of people go fishing, and this is a lot of odor stuff in the mudroom. So we would kill it by just putting fishy smell odor removal through carpet spot cleaning and just promote that heavily down there. So we broke it down into radius areas and then the service that we marketed. So for Google search, I would do inbound location-specific problem solving. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in carpet cleaners, really what they're doing is they have the reason they need it clean. Overwhelming majority of people in Forsyth Park, when they typed in carpet cleaners near me, they're looking to get their deposit back. So I wouldn't lead with an ad that said carpet cleaner. I would lead with an ad that said carpet cleaning deposit or rental deposit carpet cleaning special. And that would get somebody's attention. I had a landing page for it. They would click on it. We would address who we work with, which was basically every management company. And then we would say, we guarantee that your deposit will not be held up because of the carpet, because we know their standards. Super, super good. Or the odor, or the pet, or the military that was military. All these areas, your community has these vibes and you know them. So run your campaigns to solve the problem there. So when everybody that's typing in carpet cleaning and just carpet cleaning, carpet cleaning, carpet cleaning, if you know overwhelmingly why those people get their carpets cleaned in those areas, lead with that, and I guarantee that'll increase your CTR like you would not believe. Next, I would run YouTube ads in that small area. So if I had that radius, I would run a YouTube ad, and the YouTube ad would say, we get pet stains out at X rate, or if you have a smell in your house that's strange, carpet cleaning may be the solution for it. We do tile cleaning. And we just built a really good audience. So if you came to our channel, to our website from a search, you would get retargeted with this YouTube ad. And again, we were charging a premium because we were solving specific problems rather than just being a commodity, which was a carpet cleaning company. And then Facebook, I would retarget on Facebook and Instagram before and afters, but it would often video. And the video that killed the best was taking a carpet that you already know that the high traffic lane is going to clean up like super amazing. You could run over and pre-treat it, right, with your whatever you're pre-treating with, whether you're dry cleaning or your steam cleaning. And when you go hit that mark, just hit the video above the wand, just pull back, and you'll see that nastiness come up. And I loved using clear water claws to pull that. People were amazed. I would get hundreds and hundreds of comments on those posts. And those posts would lead to people knowing our brand, our service, because we branded it all. And over a 90 to 120 day period, we literally opened up 2 or 3 new vans deploying this. Like our commercial side was always strong, but our residential side started to take off doing this. So I hope this helped. You could tell I love carpet cleaning. I support carpet cleaners all day long. God bless you. I know how hard the work is and how unthankful that job can be at times. If you found this helpful and useful, it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. I answer all kinds of marketing questions there. And I also have a Sunday recap newsletter that will recap all the questions that I answered that week right in your inbox every Sunday afternoon. As always, good luck, happy marketing. Thank you so much.